So this is a quick video about how to use the Hedgehog Friendly Campus website. So in your internet browser, head to hedgehogfriendlycampus.co.uk, and then on the right hand menu you've got login, register or lost password. If you're new to Hedgehog Friendly Campus, then just hit register. Fill in all this information, and where it asks for a registration code, this is the same for everyone, it's 192. So in the box where it asks for team, if you're part of an existing Hedgehog Friendly Campus team, just choose your team from the drop down menu. If you are setting up a new team, then just leave it as new team. Check the box for the T's and C's once you've filled everything in, and hit register. Once you have received your confirmation email, you can log in back on the home page with your new details. Once you're logged in, you're going to see 5 tabs across the left hand side. One says colleges, 1 primary schools, and 1 says universities. Click the one that applies to you. And here's where you'll see the list of activities for your institution. If you click show all, that should expand. And here are the different actions that you can choose from. So make sure when you submit that you're having a good read of all of these tabs, the criteria, further information, info on how you'll be audited, and then the comments and evidence is where you're going to upload your evidence and give it some context. So use the comment box to tell us what it is that you're uploading. And then you want to upload your evidence as if you were attaching a photograph to an email. Once that's uploaded, you've then got the status in the upper right hand side, and you just want to change that to done. Here's where you tell us whether the action that you are telling us about is something that you are already doing or something that you're now doing as a result of Hedgehog Friendly Campus. When you've filled out all of your actions, scroll to the top and hit Save Changes. Back to the menu now, and you'll see on that left-hand navigation again, you've got Submit. So once you're happy with all of your actions and all of your evidence, everything's filled out and you're ready to go, click Submit. This is the final stage, so leave the team name exactly how it is unless you spot a typo, because that's how it's going to appear on your certificate, and just use the comment box to let us know if there's anything else that you want to say. And click Submit. And that's it. So if there's anything you've come unstuck on, or if you just want a little bit more help, drop us an email on info@hedgehogfriendlycampus.co.uk.